Alright, guys, good afternoon. It's been a long time that I shared something with you. I thought I'm going to pick it up and then share some information with you about BTC. So because I checked BTC and I find out that something is happening, and I will show you. I take my trend line tool, and on the monthly time frame, if you look carefully, we have data starting from December 2017. The trend line is starting over there, and we just pull it to the first resistance level or first top, I don't know how you call it, and then just pull it through, and we will see that we are at that resistance, at that next resistance, which is usually the third touch, does the trick. So it will go down a lot, is what I think. Now, where will it go? I have a suggestion. I have an idea, but let's perfect this trend line first. You want to bring it closer for more perfect reading. As we see here, it has rejected this trend line 2 times. On the lower time frame, we have a double top, which is also a chart pattern, which the market uses to make money off of us. Usually it works, but sometimes it doesn't work, and that's when it takes a lot of money from us. So this is the start of a trend right here. So that's where I draw my next trend line. So as we can see, we are in some kind of a channel, the lower band of the channel, upper band of the channel. It's also a diagonal. And now we have drawn this. As you can see, it is moving between the channels. Like here it started. It was ranging, and then it bounced off of this trend line. It bounced again, not reaching exactly, but you know what I mean. And then it came back. It bounced there. It went up. It took resistance here, so it made the channel downwards, and then it almost got to the upper band, resisted there, and then go to the lower band. This is a resistance right here, which is why this became support. I will show you guys. This area is a very strong area. One moment. As you can see, this was a resistance. It resisted here many times, and once it broke, it came back. And we have to perfect this a little bit more, but you'll get the point. So this was a resistance. It broke through, it came back, and once resistance is broken, it becomes support. So it became a support right here, and then now we have gone up to the upper band of the monthly trend line. It reached the monthly trend line. Let's go back to the daily. At the daily, I draw a trend line like this. It's about to break it, if you ask me, because we have a double top formed around here. That's one top, and that is the second. At a monthly resistance starting from 2017, so it's very strong. This is the third touch on the bigger time frame. and we can check where it may possibly may go. One moment, I will check if this first push up was finished or not. I can see that it did not went to the 50 fib. Look, it went up and it went down. It made a trend line point here, but it did not reach the 50 or the 62. Usually it goes there. So I think that this move is not finished. Remember 93. Remember 93. I will make a new trend line. New trend line starting from this wave. According to this wave, first we must go back to 111,000, and secondly to 108. But I think that if it breaks this trend line, which is a major trend line on the daily, with enough information or enough data. Look, I will show you guys how much data this one has. This every candle is 1 week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost 19 weeks of data, these trend lines. And we made a double top. So I think this will break, and I think it will go to 93,000, and maybe make a new bull run, or it may also go to 685 for the retest of the trend line. But my advice is to take profits along the way, because you never know what the market will do. The first take profit area shorting this should be, and I mean for swing traders, for traders who can hold, who can hold the trade, because of course here it will make some kind of pullback to the middle, maybe somewhere around 120, maybe before it goes down. But I will put my take profit first take profit on 111,000, and after that 108k, and if it goes further that I will definitely look for going to 93, because this whole move up has not finished its pullback until the 62. You know, you can better put your the third TP on 99 to make sure. So along the way you will make a few TPs, and eventually I think it's possible that we go to 93. So that's my analysis, and let's see if my analysis is right. Follow me and subscribe me for updates if I have new analysis.